Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making sausage gravy and biscuits. So guys, let's get right into it. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For the sausage, we are going to use shumen meat, pork sausage. Guys, I'm not advertising for them. That's where I buy all my meat. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're gonna crumble sausage into a large skillet. Cook over medium-high heat until brown and no longer pink, stirring frequently, approximately 7 to 9 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium. Add flour, mixing into sausage. Cook the flour and sausage mixture, stirring constantly for 3 to 5 minutes until all the flour is absorbed by the fat. After 3 minutes, slowly add milk, stirring continuously. Bring it to a boil. Now season with black pepper and salt. Cook until the mixture thickens, stirring constantly. And if the gravy is too thick, add a small amount of milk and stir. While the sausage is cooking, I have the biscuits in the oven baking. And if you are looking for a good recipe for homemade biscuits, I'll leave the video link somewhere up here. Go check it out. Or you can save time and use store-bought refrigerator biscuits. Either way works fine, guys. The sausage gravy is done, guys. Now it's time to serve it over your favorite homemade biscuits. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please consider subscribing, share it with your friends and your family, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about this recipe? Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.